Hello and thank you for joining us today. My name is Katie and today we are going to be making a Sola wood flower centerpiece out of an adorable rustic watering can. We are going to start by gathering our supplies. We of course need our flowers and some bamboo stems. We like to use bamboo stems for our centerpieces. You can use wire if you prefer. The bamboo stems are a little bit cheaper and we're not going to be seeing them in the arrangement like you would a bouquet. We prefer to use the bamboo for our centerpieces. We are going to start by stemming our flowers. We're going to add a little bit of glue and then just stick that stem right into the back of your flower. You want to make sure that that stem is in far enough that your flower is not going to pop off. We have a variety of flowers that we're using. We have some flowers that still have the bark on them to give us that little bit of a rustic look, and some without as well. We have a few different sizes and styles of flowers just to kind of mix it up. And now that all of our flowers are stemmed, we are ready to start arranging. Here we have filled the inside of our container with a little bit of floral foam and then covered the top with some moss. This is just a little touch that we wanted to add. You can use floral foam, moss, whatever you would like. We're going to start by trimming some of our stems down. We don't need that full-length bamboo stem as this is a pretty small arrangement. Now we're ready to start adding our flowers. We are just going to add our flowers in, kind of stagger them, mix up the bark and no bark flowers just to give us that rustic look. We are going to create kind of almost a little bit of a dome-shaped arrangement here. We have a circular shaped planner, and so we're just going to kind of go with that flow and stick with the same kind of rounded look. So the flowers in the middle that you see us adding now are a little bit higher up, just to kind of give us a little bit of a rounded look. We do have a few types of filler here. We have taken our little bits of filler and made them into little filler picks. You can do this with just a little bit of floral tape. We just cut our filler down to size, bunched it together, and then added tape to the ends. This will just give us a little bit of a pick to add into our arrangement, and it will make it easier to add in. You can use whatever types of flowers and fillers you would like. We have just a few types of different dried and preserved filler here. You can definitely use faux if that's kind of the look you're going for. Now we are just adding these little filler picks in between our flowers here. I am a huge fan of filler, and so I really like to use quite a bit. You don't have to use as much as we're using. When adding filler, I find that you can really get creative, and different types of filler can really change the look of your arrangement and what you're trying to achieve. Again, we are going for a more rustic theme here, so we just have some dried fillers here as well as a little bit of baby's breath that we love. The baby's breath is super neutral and adds just a little bit of a soft touch to most arrangements, and it goes with pretty much anything. You can use raw flowers or dyed flowers, and that baby's breath will just perfectly complement whatever you're working with. Now that we have all of our flowers and filler added, our little mini watering can centerpiece is complete. This is perfect for adding to your home decor or giving to a friend or family member as a gift. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you have a wonderful week.